Oh, hi everyone. I'm Loreen from Ines, where you taste the sweetness of English language. There's one more thing to tell you before we get started. If you are not a subscriber yet to my channel, you make sure hit the button down there, turn on notifications so that you never miss any of Ines lessons where you taste the sweetness of English language. So let's dive into today's lesson then. In the first lesson, you were given a detailed explanation on using present be verbs and is, are as full verbs. If you haven't watched it, you are invited to watch that before this video as it may assist you to understand the context clearly. In the lesson today, I'm going to share with you the ways of making negative, positive interrogative and negative interrogative sentences using am, is, are as full verbs. Remember that when we use be verbs as full verbs in sentences, you are not allowed to use any other verbs. It means in such sentences, be verbs are the main verbs and they tell us something about the subject of a sentence. One may have a doubt in identifying what the subject of a sentence is. So, I'm going to clear it out first. In any sentence, subject can be either a noun or a pronoun. So, please remember that point well. You can learn about nouns and pronouns in detail with my lessons in future. So, no worries, but more smiles now. Let's see how to make negative form first. The step is simple. You need to add not to the be verb. This is how it happens. Positive, I'm a teacher. Negative, I'm not a teacher. She's a nurse. She's not a nurse. They are friends. They are not friends. Yes, more negative form sentences are: we are not greedy. Children are not cruel. He is not a tall person. I'm not good at singing. Next, let's learn the way of forming positive interrogative form. Simply, what you need to do here is change the position of subject and verb. Examples: I'm an actor. Am I an actor? Rabbit is cute. Is rabbit cute? Elephants are big. Are elephants big? In these sentences, subject and verb have exchanged their positions to form positive interrogative of each sentence, and we need to use the question mark at the end. Thirdly, let's march forward to see how negative interrogative form is made. Examples: positive, I'm tall. Negative interrogative, aren't I tall? Jim is clever. Isn't Jim clever? Boys are energetic. Aren't boys energetic? In these sentences too, you can see clearly that the subject and verb again have exchanged their positions to form negative interrogative form. The only difference is instead of a positive be verb, here you see a negative be verb to form negative interrogative form. When we make negative interrogative form of am, we use it as aren't, not amn't. It's a rule in English grammar and let's follow it. That's all. So, before we end the lesson today, here we go to summarize what we have learned. I'm fine. I'm not fine. Am I fine? Aren't I fine? The box is heavy. The box isn't heavy. Is the box heavy? Isn't the box heavy? Rivers are long. Rivers aren't long. Are rivers long? Aren't rivers long? Here you see that the contracted or short forms of be verbs have been used. Am not, aren't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't. So this is how be verbs are used as full verbs in positive, negative, positive interrogative and negative interrogative in English language. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson with much interest today. You may share your sentences in the comment section below to show the interest of the lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.